$501 million. That's how much Americans lost to fake job offers in 2024 alone. Not investment scams, not romance scams, not phishing emails, fake job offers. And the number 4 years ago? $90 million. These scams didn't just grow, they exploded. Reports tripled, losses nearly sextupled. And the reason isn't that more people are being careless. The reason is that the people running these scams have a playbook, a proven step-by-step system specifically designed to bypass your skepticism. Today, we're going to go through that playbook, every step, so you can see exactly how it works. And at the end, I'll show you the tool that spots it in seconds. Step 1. How they find you. The playbook starts before you ever see a message. Scammers use the same platforms legitimate recruiters use: LinkedIn, Indeed, ZipRecruiter, Facebook Jobs. They scrape profiles, they harvest emails, they buy contact lists, and they wait for signals. A profile that says open to work, a post about a layoff, a resume that was just updated. They find people at their most vulnerable moment. That's not an accident. That's the strategy. The first contact is designed to feel completely normal. A direct message, a recruiter-style email, a connection request followed by a warm message a few days later. This message passes your first instinct filter. It doesn't scream scam. That's exactly the point. Step 2. The offer. Once contact is made, the offer arrives, and it's always designed to sit just inside the edge of believable, not $5,000 a day. That trips the filter. Instead, $25 to $35 an hour. Remote, flexible, start immediately. The job description is deliberately vague. Product reviewer, online task coordinator, data entry specialist. These titles exist, which is exactly why they work. The most common version right now is called a task scam. You're told you'll complete simple online tasks, rating products, boosting app reviews, optimizing listings. The first few tasks actually pay you small amounts, $10, $20, enough to feel real. That payment is the most important part of the playbook, because once you've been paid, you trust them. Step 3. The trap. Here's where the playbook turns. After you've completed some tasks and received payment, you're told there's been a problem. Your account balance is locked. A task went wrong. There's a system error. To continue, and to receive the money already in your account, you need to deposit funds. This is the moment. This is the trap. And it works because of sunk cost psychology. You've already invested time. You've already been paid once. You have a balance on the screen that feels real. The ask deposit starts small. $50, $100. Then it escalates. Each time you deposit, another problem appears. Another reset. By the time most people realize what's happening, they've made multiple deposits. The company vanishes. The account goes silent. That silence is why losses are still rising. The red flags, spotted in seconds. The good news, and there is good news, is that every stage of this playbook leaves traces. Patterns that AI can identify in seconds. Let me show you. Here's the offer we looked at earlier. Pasting it into the job offer checker at Scamonaut.com. And here's what the AI identifies. Vague job description, unsolicited outreach, urgency to respond before you can research, unverifiable company, pay that doesn't match the task complexity, 5 flags, each one a step in the playbook. You don't have to know the playbook to be protected. You just have to paste the offer before you reply. In closing, the people who fall for task scams are not gullible. They're not careless. They're job seekers, people who needed work and found something that looked like a real opportunity. And they were targeted by a system specifically engineered to look real. The only defense against a professional playbook is a professional countermove. Scaminaut is that countermove. Paste the offer. Get a verdict. In seconds. Free. No account. And nothing you paste is ever stored, because a scam detection tool that keeps your data would be its own kind of problem. The link is in the description. Scaminaut.com. And if you know someone who's job hunting right now, share this with them, because the playbook is running every day, and now they know how it works.